ride, come and kick it. Put her on to my vibe, she addicted. As I leave, you gon' tell me that you miss it. Get to that paper non-stop, it's how we live it. Baby, hop in my ride, come and kick it. Put her on to my vibe, she addicted. As I leave, you gon' tell me that you miss it. As I get to that. What's the word, man? It is your boy Gummythedon, aka Gummy So Wavy, and I'm coming to y'all with a very special video, man. You feel me? We watching my boy Glizzok, man. Key Glock versus Doughboy. Like last video, we watched Kevin Gates and Gator. I didn't know who the opponent was, you know what I'm saying? But we watching my man Key Glock, man. That's one of my favorite down south rappers. We're gonna see how he hoop, man. You know what I'm saying? None of them messing with me. Real hoopers know they used to call me, real hoopers know who this is and what high school this from. But they used to call me baby AI, you feel me? Let me chill out. But we finna watch Key Glock, man. Hopefully he better than Kevin Gates was. Because Kevin Gates disappointed me. But man, without further ado, man, let's get right into the video, man. Ski!
Key Glock versus Doughboy.
I guarantee
Key
you I'm
Glock.
calling somebody else.
He's putting up 0.
Man, I think Key Glock straight, man.
You see me going crazy?
On the baseline,
When you get 0 points.
Let's skip the intro, man. These videos be long, man. I'm not trying to have team intro.
I got a small 4. Johnny
Let me see what he's talking about.
Blaze, Lil Bum James.
Let me see what he talking about
That's
real
it.
quick.
No, that's it. No. Stop playing. He coming through.
I
No,
can't
ain't gonna
understand
hold
him.
you.
I don't know what
Johnny
he's talking
Blaze,
about.
I'm playing for Team O'Reilly from Ohio. Keep rolling. I'm second.
These niggas trash. They trash, bro. I can tell they trash.
Gonna run this. What's going on? Coach Brew from Atlanta, Georgia, and I coach for Cutthroat La Familia. I'm really the GOAT from Atlanta. Like, I'm born and raised here. I done played overseas. I done got a couple of trials. I went to North Plain High School, first team All-State. Basketball in Atlanta, they know me. So y'all already know what to do. Man, we just finna go eat. Go get this money, man. We got pretty much everything a team needs. Just get ready to shoot. You know what I'm saying? All layup. First and foremost, they don't understand Glock. He try to be modest, but Glock can really hoop. But we got shooters, we got passers, we got rebounders, we got guys who versatile, can do 2-3 things on the court. So, we got pretty much everything that we really need.
So y'all got a solid team. Y'all got the whole shebang.
Come from the same neighborhood, so I know some of his family.
Everything you need on the team, y'all have. That's what he's saying.
I played across the seas and all that, but
You put pro.
yeah, I played pro. I'm gonna have over 7 points for sure. You know what I'm saying? That's just what I do. I love scoring the ball.
The rules.
artists and their crews battle it out this year for $250,000. The rules,
They
games to
playing for a
21,
$250,000.
scored by 1s and 2s. Each team gets 7 fouls. Then it's bonus time, which means the captains must shoot free throws. Today, alongside me, we have second-time host, Funny Marco, and first-time host and legendary comedian, Lil Duval. Guys,
What's
welcome.
up, man? I'm up here chilling, vibing, living my best life per usual.
One thing about this guy, he's handsome, bro. He came a long way. He used to be homeless. He changed his life. He let go to drugs.
Funny, I was never homeless. Stop that. Stop that. Come on, this is a basketball show. We're here to commentate.
I was trying to tell you
Did
a
he
story.
tell you he's a part of my outreach program? He's one of those kids that was in the slow class. Listen. In the slow classes, I brought him in. So
That's very
I'm
nice
so
of you.
proud of him right now. So I'm here for support.
Today, we have Key Glock versus Doughboy. It's going to be a pretty good matchup.
Introducing
Glizzok.
Team Cutthroat!
Number 32, Hen. Number 21,
Let's get to the
Slim
tip
B.
off, man.
Number 1, Jan.
And 6'5" shooting guards, 6'9". On Doughboy, they call themselves the Small Giants.
This man
Much
playing in a whole
smaller
ski
squad.
mask. I know he trash. He playing in a whole ski mask, bro. Anybody, for one, I'm gonna say this. Anybody that comes to the gym or come to hoop and they got all this crazy type of accessories like arm sleeves, headbands, all this extra stuff, they either super trash or they cold as fuck. Ain't no in between. There's no in between. They either one or the two. They either trash, like completely trash, need to get off the court, or they super cold. No in between. He got a ski mask. I never seen that before. I just know he trash. I believe it's Doughboy. I'm not
You know
sure.
where Doughboy
That
says
just
he
made
got his
me mad,
basketball
though.
experience from?
I heard they say he got it from jail. Like
he's
he
playing
practiced and
jail
played in jail. He was in the jail league for 3 years.
I mean, at that point, you're
Trash.
basically practicing as much as NBA guys, so he's got to be pretty good.
Trash, but I know he trash.
It's on.
Oh, really on 3? 1, 2.
He might surprise you. I'm a hooper. I used to hoop in high school. I was pretty good, so I could I could tell who a
We've
good
got
hooper
Team
just by looking at
Cutthroat
them
in
and
red,
see how they
Team
dribble and how they
O'Reilly
shoot.
in
I can tell
blue.
who a hooper.
Hey, down on that Glock get nuts. There you go, I go.
All right, here we go. We have tip-off.
Hey, we going this way.
Get up.
Good tip. Hey, they going this way. Red. Hey, we going this way.
Doughboy got a ski mask on.
Then y'all say Doughboy picked his team right before the game?
He definitely recruited a couple of these players. That's for sure.
Wing. Yeah.
What the was that?
That's that behind the back, out of bounds pass.
We back. The road drip.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it.
Down the middle, Doughboy. Bucket is good.
Okay, let's get it.
Stop playing, Tank.
Oh, keep on going
Which
up.
one, Doughboy?
No.
Foul.
I think that's Doughboy.
0. You get 0 points.
Doughboy doesn't have a single
This-
basketball post on his Instagram. I don't know if that bodes well for his game or poorly.
Hey, get on him, Dope. Get on him. Get on him, Dope.
Let me see what you're talking about,
Cutthroat.
Blizzard. Pull up, pull up.
Trying to get inside, throws it
Why
up
you
off
trying-
the side.
He Glock, why are you driving and he giving you 3 feet of space? You feel me? Let me go back.
Side of the backboard.
Oh, 3.
Damn, my bad. Y'all went too far. I gotta, yeah, see. Key Glock.
Boy doesn't have a single basketball
This
post
is
on
a
his
pull-up.
Instagram. I don't know if that
Take
bodes
what the
well for
defense
his
is
game
giving
or
you.
poorly.
Hey, get on him,
You know what I'm saying? You sizing them up.
Team
Look,
Cutthroat
easy right there.
trying to get inside, throws it up off the side of the backboard.
He looked better than Kevin Gates.
2-point attempt, no good.
Get it back.
Long rebound, Cutthroat back the other way.
Watch out, drip.
There you go. Uh-oh.
Denied.
Stop playing.
Darius, who just got that block lead, 2 years of D2 basketball at Ohio Dominican.
Try to go. Stay solid. Good shot. There you go. They're on 1 right there.
Uh-oh.
Good shot.
No good on the 2.
What was that?
You can't touch.
Back the other way, floater, strong.
Okay.
Cutthroat rebound.
Somebody gonna score.
2-point attempt, no
Nope.
good. Almost deflected it back in.
And we good.
Deflected it back in.
2-point attempt.
Thank you.
We like it. We like it. We like it.
He got the ball. Oh, what was up and down? Was that up and down? What was that, ref? Ref with the slack shorts on.
Out of bounds. Side out, side out, side out.
That looked like he playing basketball in movies.
Like Mike too?
Not like Tyler Perry movies. Like he looked like a Tyler Perry movie type.
Shot. Right there. Rebound. Get in there, Dope. Get that point. Yeah, Dope. Get in there.
Trey, I knew he was
He just
trash,
doubled.
bro.
What the
I just knew he was trash.
Bounce with 2 hands. That's the one you say played in jail, Doughboy?
Yeah, that's him.
Go, get us on that snowboard, drip.
That's
Thank
playing jail ball rules.
You gotta get up on him.
Okay, he should use his height advantage. 21 is not using his height advantage. Oh, don't. Uh-oh.
Beat it.
Oh, here go jail. Jail ball.
Almost hit one. Back. Splash.
Oh, let's hit it.
There we
Okay.
There you go.
3-3.
Good shot.
3-3.
Coming. Trap it. Good shot. We got ice.
That's another 3-pointer.
But look, on the defense, just get back. They ain't doing shooting up at threes.
Now they starting to play.
Court ain't even big.
On the rebound, bro. We gotta pick up, bro.
I'm not gonna lie. That's a little. Thank you. You finally took out that hot ass ski mask. That's a little ass court, bro. I'd probably be shooting from the other free throw line. Cause they not gonna play full court, so like they playing on the other half of the court.
Make them niggas
I'll
shoot.
make them guard me full court.
Make him shoot it.
Especially if I
All right,
was
game's
hot,
back
I'd be
on.
shooting from right here.
5-3.
Wait for it. Go, Doge.
2-point attempt is good.
I'll be doing it all
And that
game,
will
bro.
tie it up at 5.
He can't check you.
Stay up.
Tay Jones
He pretty good.
inside. Good.
He pretty good.
6-5, Doughboy leads.
What that say on the back of his jersey?
It says Cutthroat La Familia.
They all say Cutthroat. I thought everybody had their own name like in the NBA.
Jump ball, blue. Good D.
Go get it, Tank. Oh, it's my ball. It's her ball.
Trash, dude, trash, bro.
No good on the shot.
He took the mask off and got worse.
2-pointer, good. That was Hunt, who is a 6'5" shooting guard out of Memphis. 2-point attempt the other way, no good.
Let go, Glock. Let go. I can't do nothing with it.
What is this? Hey, come get
All right, the game is back live.
Okay, look, that's out.
Yeah, there we go. All that prank gonna get you slapped out.
I'm just a YouTuber.
I don't give
Okay, look, that's
That's the thing about those pranks, man. Some people don't be playing that prank stuff, bro.
I can't do nothing with it.
What is this? Hey, come get
All right, the game is back live.
Okay, look, that's out.
Yeah, there we go. All that prank gonna get you slapped out.
I'm just a YouTuber.
I don't give
I do OnlyFans.
I don't give
Oh,
That's how you get him up out of here.
Man, he big as
Wish somebody would tell me they finna slap me.
Hey, play up on him. Play up.
2-point attempt.
Pull up. Good shot. Good shot.
Hot. That boy hot. 24 hot.
Yo, you scream me so he can check me. When I get the ball, you come scream me while he check me so he can pull on me.
9-6.
You wasting your time
Halftime
explaining
11.
that you don't know how to play basketball.
Help out, help out, help out, Thug. Knock down. Oh yeah, good move. Woo! See him, Jay?
2-point attempt, no good, all air. Back the other way.
Oh, here we go. Let's go. Let's get into it. Oh, Key Glock. Let's go, Key Glock.
Key Glock showing off.
Corner.
He put Doughboy on the ground.
Oh, he crossed.
Make the shoot. Shoot it, King.
He crossed him.
Key Glock showing off the.
To it.
He crossed him, bro.
Key Glock showing off the handles. He put Doughboy on the ground.
King, you make the shoot. Shoot it, King. Shoot it, King.
What the is that?
That's out.
No good.
Let's go.
And that sends us to the half.
Oh, really? Hey, you all right. You can't go there.
Team Cutthroat with 11. Team O'Reilly with 6. Jeremy Hunt led the way for Team Cutthroat, hit a few twos. Team Doughboy is going to have to change something to get going in the second half. Maybe Doughboy should take less shots because he couldn't hit anything. So, Duval, after seeing the first half, what's your prediction for the second?
The same thing I said before. Key Glock them gonna win.
He showed off the handles a little bit. Pretty impressive.
You had to. Man, oh, he had to shoot that shot. Man, well, look at the score. That's right now. I ain't trying to hit it.
What's poppin'? We here with the 2 team captains, Key Glock and Doughboy. You know I always put all my money on red. I'm a little biased.
But Doughboy, my brother.
See me going crazy.
You going crazy?
You see me going crazy.
I see you out here, but what was that Key Glock just did?
Man, he ain't even do that. I did that to myself.
So are you okay?
I wouldn't even know him when I
Key Glock went kind of crazy. The way he set
He
that
rolled.
up, I mean, the
Ooh,
crowd was
wee.
going nuts. I mean, the bull. Key Glock
Ooh,
went
he
kind of
rolled it
crazy.
up.
The way he
Ooh,
set that
I
up, I mean,
seen
the
it.
crowd was going nuts. I mean, the bull
I
ain't
know
going
they
to
heard
net.
it.
But how you feeling like the game's going right now?
I just warmed up. That wasn't even me right there. That was just me.
That was just Michael Jordan. Just you had the spirit of MJ.
That was somebody else. That wasn't none.
Now I think if Doughboy puts the mask back on, you're in trouble. Because when he had the mask on, he was going crazy.
Where my mask at? He going crazy now. Look at him. They think they gonna win. He going crazy.
Doughboy was doing good. He took that mask off and he lost his superpowers. Oh, he's back. It's a problem now. He's back. Leave that on.
Please take that back off. Not
Second
listen
half.
to her.
He the one going crazy, 24? Vic, I got him. I want 2-4. You can't even get sweaty on it, little quick.
Oh my God, that's crazy, right?
Oh, you the one want to act like you couldn't hoop. Oh, I see
11-6. Cutthroat, Key Glock in the lead.
D right. D right. D right. Sit down.
My man.
You better get that. Game is going. This just came as after something the game was going.
2-point attempt on the other way, also no good. Key Glock's got to take his time. He's got to operate with some patience.
Take him out. Go get.
Key Glock. On the baseline. Back up top. 2-point attempt. Good. 2-point attempt from James Justice.
Basket. Stay there.
Inside. Good. That was Trey Wade, who played at Wichita State and Arkansas. He went undrafted in the 2022 NBA draft.
Drafted in the 2022 rap.
Looking for the pop. Shot.
That's in there.
Good.
I seen it.
That was James Justice.
15-7.
James Justice was the 2012 NCAA dunk champ, and he's only 5'10". Doughboy's ball.
Oh.
He's going to take it up the court.
Let's go, Fat Iverson.
Marco's calling
Fat
it Allen
Iverson.
Iverson for 2.
The fat one.
You keep playing, I'm gonna hit that. Come on, swing.
Down low, block.
Right? Take a pass.
Block with the magic touch.
Pass.
That was Adrian Henning.
Good pass.
You keep playing, I'm gonna hit that.
He looking like me out there with that pass.
Down low, block.
Block with the magic touch. Pass.
That was Adrian Henning, who played college ball at Austin Peay. He's in their Hall of Fame. The pace of this game is so high on the short court with all these former pros.
Time out.
And one.
Time out.
Hey, come here.
Time out, blue.
Play defense.
Bro. How would y'all, this for all the hoopers that's viewing this, how would y'all feel to be hooping on the team and your team captain trash, bro? And he calling timeouts like this and trying to get everybody together. Just like Kevin Gates. Like, Kevin Gates better than him, but Kevin Gates not good. Like, I'd be mad, bro. I'd be like, bro, if I'm a real hooper, don't say nothing to me. Because you can't, I'm not no know-it-all, but you can't tell me nothing that I don't know about basketball.
We don't let breathe. They can't breathe, we choking niggas out. Don't let them breathe.
What is he talking about?
When I drive, they gon' kick that right back out.
Team Cutthroat's coach is
See,
actually
Key Glock,
willing
he
to
know a
come
little
into the
bit
game
about. I could
if
tell
they
he
need
not
him.
a.
Cutthroat winning.
He probably didn't play any organized basketball, but you can tell he kind of know a little bit about like driving, kicking out to the corner, or setting the screen. You roll, I dish it off, or I just read the defense a little bit. He know a little bit about basketball, but somebody that don't know a lick about basketball and they my team captain doing it, I wouldn't even want to play no more. I'm talking too much in this
To
video.
my understanding,
I'm
Team
gonna just let
O'Reilly,
it
who
play.
calls themselves the Small Giants, they don't have anybody like that who's willing to come into the game for them.
You good at this commentating. You good.
Imagine him doing that during sex.
Oh my God, I'm about to nut.
I will. Why you playing?
Doughboy.
See what I'm saying? He finna airball, bro.
I'm gonna hit that. He's playing with me. That's that.
Shut up, bro. You slow.
Get on the head.
Layup. Good.
I want your ass. I got you. I want him. No, I want him.
Jones back the other way. 2-point attempt. No good. Glock.
Let's go, Key Glock. Oh, I thought he played.
There you go.
Key Glock.
Hey, Key Glock about dunked that mug. He could have dunked it.
10. Can they mount a comeback? Doughboy guarding him.
Take him to the cup, bro. He's slow.
Inside. Foul.
Can't hold me, bro. I'll take it, Johnny. Use them. If they don't foul, I'm gonna go straight to the hole.
Still 3 points away.
Oh, you got to now. He's great.
Another foul. Doughboy fouling hard.
Ain't no more points.
Hunt to inbound. Trying to get them within closing range. Key Glock. Another foul.
Dover got 5 fouls, 0 points, 1 mask.
Another foul.
You can't move it.
That shit crazy. He really playing like somebody.
Nah, you can't move when you out of bounds. You can't.
Hey, grab
That's Johnny Blaze up top.
Up top.
He got him.
He got me, bro.
You see Doughboy get that layup, though?
Yeah, I saw it.
At least he's proving he can hit a shot.
I ain't missing.
This means he's got to get an open lane. Trying to mount a comeback. Two-pointer. Good.
Oh, shit.
Fence, let's
Trying to
go.
make things interesting. That was Trey Wade with the
They say
bucket.
bucket, 1 baby mama, 2 baby mama, 3 baby mama.
James
Call me
Justice.
Lil Duval.
Good shot, good shot. Shooter's touch.
And now it's
Shooter's
game
touch.
point. They could
Game
send
point.
Doughboy back home to Cleveland.
Next red basket wins.
Justice. Back up to Glock.
Come on,
Glock.
Glock.
Trying
Ooh,
to
block
add
right
it.
there.
Get that last point.
Key Glock almost lost it. Got it back.
It's the Iversons on them.
Doughboy guarding him. Double
Somebody
team.
open, somebody
He's gonna
open.
have it all.
Pass the ball,
He's
somebody
going out of
open.
his own. Glock. Trying to get him behind the back.
Good one.
That is the game. Team Cutthroat moving on
Off
to the
his face.
season 5 semifinal.
Memphis
Hey.
won, baby.
I'm gonna give that to Key Glock. He tried to do that. I'm gonna give it to him.
It's all good. One game close to the money, bro.
Say that's Memphis, man. Look in the camera and say it.
That's Memphis, man.
No, that ain't
Yeah,
it.
Memphis,
That- not
man.
it.
Okay.
Yeah, Memphis, man.
Are we lost? You know what? I don't like to lose. I don't like. Are we lost?
We need aggressive shit. D. We need D. Aggressive.
When you got in, what happened?
Yes, man, and just like that, the end of game 1 was a crazy one. How did your team pull that together to take this victory?
We really was just scouting them out at first. We weren't even playing our full potential.
Oh, so y'all
Well, I'm gonna go on here. I ain't even trying to hear the post game interview. Doughboy right here, trash. Key Glock, he not cold, but he pretty good. He better than Kevin Gates, man. So shout out to Key Glock doing this thing. They got the W. It's another one that just came out. I'm gonna watch that today too, bro. But yeah, man. That's the end of the video, man. So hey, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. It's your boy Gummythedon, aka Gummy So Wavy, and we out, man.
Broke my heart in high school, swear I needed that. Old girl tried to trap me with a baby, I swear I needed that. Made me focus on my paper, man, I swear I needed that. Trying to turn these stack of 20s in a stack of blue racks.